Hi everyone, this is Dr. Pavithra, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, K.C.S. Nadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to learn about the topic Law of Diminishing Marginal Utility. It is one of the approaches to consumer behavior. It is a cardinal utility approach. So, Law of Marginal Utility, according to this law, as one individual goes on consuming a commodity, the marginal utility obtained from its additional units goes on diminishing. That is, the intensity of our desire for that thing diminish or tends to diminish. For example, if a man is angry and starts to eat apple, the utility is maximum at first unit of that apple. At the second time, one gets less utility. This process is goes on utility at every step. Finally, it goes on diminishing. According to Samuelson, as the amount consumed of a good increases, the marginal utility of a goods leads to decrease. We have some assumption of the law. Utility can be expressed in cardinal numbers like 1, 2, 3. Based on this law, the utility is measurable. The utility of a commodity depends upon its one quantity rather than the quantity of other commodities. There is a rational consumer and there is no change in the price of the commodity and its substitute. There is no change in the taste, habits and fashion of the consumer. The unit consumed should be standard unit. The income of the consumer remains constant and also the social and economic conditions of the consumer must be normal. Based on the assumptions in the table shows the total utility is 10 from first unit, and at the more and more are consumed, they bought the total utility increases and further 18, 24 and 28. In the fifth unit, the diminishing rate is starts. At the unit of sixth, the total utility is constant and after that the total utility goes on diminishing. On the other hand, the marginal utility refers to the increment in total utility. It is clear from the table the marginal utility up to the fifth unit, the marginal utility goes on diminishing and at the sixth unit it becomes negative. In this diagram, it shows the both curve, total utility curve and the marginal utility curve. The x-axis represents the units of commodity and y-axis represents the value of utility. In the TC curve, ascends reaches the maximum at the point of 5 and 5th and 6th unit. And the marginal utility declines tight and it becomes 0 at the consumption of the 6th and afterwards it became negative. At the point total utility is maximum when the marginal utility is 0, then total utility and marginal utility start from the same point. Similarly, when the total utility falls, the marginal utility becomes negative. Thank you.